Hello friends, it's me Sulesh. Today I'm going to show how we can connect Google Search Console or Webmaster tool to your website. I will show how to connect with WordPress website, also the coding website. To do that, you need to have a Gmail ID. So you need to log in your Gmail ID. I already log in here. Then you can search in Google search engine Webmaster tool, or you can search Google Search Console. There's a two name for the same tool. Then you can click on google.com webmasters, or you can click on the search console link. Any of the link you can click. I'm going to click on Google Webmaster link. So it's already open here, and I don't have Google Webmaster tool. So normally this is programmers, they will do this. I'm just showing that how they are doing. So here we need to click for sign up. We need to click on search console button here to do sign up. Then you will get this window. Here you can see URL prefix option. Here you need to copy and paste the main URL for your website. We will not type here. You need to copy and paste. Okay, I'm going to open a website. Which website I'm going to connect? Okay, this website I'm going to connect with the Webmaster tool or Search Console. So I'm going to copy the home page or main address. This is the main address with HTTPS or www, whatever it's there, complete URL you need to copy. Then you will paste here in URL prefix section, paste. So it's already given. Then we need to click continue button. So now Google they given verification window. So we need to verify. The Google want to know that you are really owner for that website. So what Google they are giving different options here. So what I'm going to use here, HTML tag. You can find here, just scroll down this pop-up window. Then you can get this HTML tag option. There is a small one arrow button there. Just click on this drop down. Then you can see one meta tag. It's a coding. So you can copy this coding. So I already copied. Right side you can see copy button. They mentioned here this meta tag we need to paste. It means the programmer they need to paste to the head section before the first body section. This one is a little bit confusing, that which is in the head section or body section, like that. Then later I will give you idea for the coding website. This we need to do for coding website. First I will show WordPress website how we can do that. Later I will show you how to do in coding website. Now I already copied this, so I will go to my WordPress website backend. It means this website, which website I added, I will open. So it's a WordPress website. You can see here I already opened my website backend. In this WordPress, we need to add a plugin, because we need to add the coding which Google they given here. This coding we need to add to the website. So in WordPress dashboard, we can add a plugin to add that coding. So how to add a plugin? You need to go to the plugin option here, then add new. So there is left panel plugins, then add new plugin. So add new plugin, when you click, you can see here we can search your plugin. Just search header and footer scripts. In this search box you can search header and footer scripts. Make sure you are in add new plugin option, then only you will get this plugin here. And header and footer script, this is the plugin we are going to use. You will see here button install now, same like this. So you need to click on install this plugin. After that activate. Okay, active the plugin. So once you active, then you will see inside your settings. Just refresh the screen once you are active, or you just click on the setting button here. So when you click the setting button, then you can see here header and footer scripts. It's already here. When you activate this plugin, it will come here. So click on the header and footer scripts. Then you will get one column here for the header and footer. So header and footer is here. Now for me there is already some coding there, because I already installed this plugin. So there is, I added some other extra coding also. For you it will be empty, nothing will be there. So you just need to copy the coding which Google they given here, copy the meta tag. After that we need to go to the WordPress, and here this column, the header column, not the footer one, the header column you need to paste. But for me there is already some coding I added for Google Analytics and some Google ads. That's why I will just go down here. Then at the end I will just put this meta tag for the Google Webmaster tool or Search Console. So I already paste here. then I'm going to save the setting. So this is for the WordPress website. So it's already saved. Okay, it's already saved. I will go back to the search console sign up page, and I will click this done button. It's already done. So it's already done. So how you can check that? Here this left side there is one arrow button will be there. Once you already save there, just click the property, search property here, then there is small drop down, then you will see your website here. Just click on that. If you didn't get automatically this window, normally they will give automatically this pop-up window, but before I already connected, that's why maybe they didn't give again the pop-up window automatically. For the tutorial purpose, I removed my website from the search console, and again I'm connecting for the tutorial. That's why maybe they didn't give. So you will get this pop-up window. It's already done. You can click done button or go to property, any of this link you can click. So it will go to the Webmaster tool. So you have already the Webmaster tool. This is the website is connected. It's done already. The connection button is done. It's successfully done. But if you want to connect with the coding website, for example, this is a WordPress website. Now I'm going to show how to connect with the coding website. If you know the coding, then you can edit, or if you have programmer, you can guide them where to put this coding. Before, when we check, we already saw that in the search console they are saying you need to paste this in the head section, but before body section there is some confusion there, but I will show you where it is. When you open your home page, this is your home page coding. In this coding there is a head section here, then head section, the ending part. So we need to find out where the head section is ending. So it's difficult for me to find. If it is like that, we can use the find box, and we can put here head ending coding. So this is the head section is ending here. Okay, here actually we need to copy. Here the programmer, they need to make a space before the head closing. Yeah, here they need to make a space, then they need to paste that coding here only for the home page, then save it. So it will be okay for the search console. But WordPress website is very easy. We will add the plugin. So it's already the Webmaster tool is done. We have already the tool. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any doubts or any suggestion, you can comment. Also, you can watch another video in the channel. You can go to the channel and you can go to the playlist. There is SEO related, Google Ads, social media, different videos there you can watch. Also, I'm going to create another search console video, how to submit your website to search console to crawl your website much faster. This is all SEO related. Also, I am going to show in next videos that how we can measure the data or metric, how we will measure from here the SEO result, how we can measure that. Also, I am going to create a video. You can just go to the description for this video. You can find the links. So thanks for watching. See you on next video. Take care.